Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget your monthly expenses for study abroad with Regions Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your total available income for the month. Identify all sources of income, including grants, scholarships, and personal savings. Next, list all your fixed expenses. These may include tuition fees, rent, and insurance payments. Calculate the total of your fixed expenses. Now, turn your attention to variable expenses. Consider costs such as food, transportation, and entertainment. Make an estimate for each variable expense based on previous months. Calculate the total for your variable expenses. Add the fixed and variable expenses together for a comprehensive overview. Next, evaluate your discretionary spending. This includes dining out, shopping, and other non-essential costs. Decide on a reasonable budget for discretionary spending. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will help you determine your surplus or deficit for the month. If you have a surplus, consider setting it aside for savings or emergencies. If there's a deficit, look for areas to cut back on. Review your spending categories regularly to stay on track. Utilize budgeting tools or apps to help manage your finances efficiently. Consider setting up a savings account specifically for your study abroad expenses with Regions Bank. Monitor your transactions to ensure you're sticking to your budget. Continuously adjust your budget as your needs and expenses change. Seeking advice from a financial advisor can also be beneficial. Establish goals for your study abroad experience to provide motivation. Remember, budgeting is not just about restriction, it's about making informed financial choices. Stay committed to your budget to make the most of your study abroad journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.